yeah, I'm already back with another unboxing video, or I guess unbagging video. This is something that I talked about in the last video that could help me with any problem I need, which I might need to go get a knife for. Ah. Didn't work. Now it works. Keith Powers, you never let me down. This is it. This is a thing that you can put on your normal stuff, and then you can add it to other stuff. You know what I mean? Like, here, I'll show you. Probably needing to go and actually get scissors. Be right back. Right here is the cords that come with it. Well, not all of them. Most of these are extensions for the cord. These would actually help if you want a longer cord setup. So then you don't always have to, you know, like, go back there and try finding a way to make it bigger, or actually going online and buying another one. These are very helpful. Now I'm going to plug this up into the adapter that it does not come with and do this. Here is what it takes. It takes normal size stuff, and then there you go. Now we put in the HDMI-esque thing, or AV out-esque thing. So this will technically output it into a HDMI cable, so then you don't have to buy another, like, so then you don't have to buy something else for it, I guess. Or always having to use AV out. Guessing my Wii cable for this thing is, oh, no, it works. There you go. Then you need an HDMI cord, which, of course, if you know me, I have a lot of HDMI cords, technically, what I'm trying to say. If I can actually find mine. Should be around here somewhere. If I don't have one, I just use my Wii U one, since I'm not playing anything on there very recently. Now, it's time for the ultimate test. Shouldn't be missing any other step. Turn that on. And there's my Xbox I just set up. Let's switch. Nintendo Switch, that is. Now, this is to all you guys who did watch my tutorial video on how to set up your own screen recording feature, which is probably on my main channel if I collab this together. If I don't, well, that'd be weird. But let's change the input to that, which I believe that's my Xbox One. Yep, it is. Now I gotta sign in with my controller if I find it. Because I'm a mess, apparently. I can't find anything. I got a 720p because I don't want to do 1080. Because a full 1080 could possibly mess up resolution and editing, which I don't want to do. Bye-bye. Yes. There you go. My test / theory was correct. totally works. Which is crazy. Very happy. So thank you guys for watching this unboxing. See you next time. The final unboxing of possibly this year. Oh, this few months.